Kokomanya kwa mgajiwanga Georgia oko luonwa sigana makamano obro bedo komiwa kukumare heweche magwa manyie na mabiro. Kopogre gi manya kwa mgajiwanga tiri nyake county mano ma Nairobi. Jotije mag kar iko ringre malang'ata otimo ng'anyo kaluore kod deko mar chwalo negi osachge. Nochuno bila mar bayogi gi iro malungo wang'. Mano mar keyo jotijego mabende nomoko mach e kar iko ringre malang'ata. Gisanya kwa mgajiwanga jagoro mano mar county ma Nairobi loso gisani wawinjo ni nagimo wacho kotende kod ng'anyo maket kod mano.
So thank you so much. I look forward to be interacting with you, not only when there's distress, but even when we have that are positive stories for our city. I was hoping you'll ask me or you'll mention that the 2,500 environmental support staff we onboarded are doing tremendous work in the sub-counties. They're opening the drains, they're clearing garbage, which then is collected by the trucks and taken to Dandora. And I believe this will really go a long way in helping us to be prepared for the El Nino rains. Tomorrow we will be touring around the city with the representatives of the Ministry of Works to also look at areas which have challenges in terms of safety of structures, so that we just make sure by the time the rains come, as a city we are well prepared, so that we have minimum destruction and loss of lives when the excessive rains come. So thank you so much.
Nyakoram gajuang mono jagoro he county ma Nairobi mabende naloso